Welcome back, guys. When you pull a bike out of mothballs, you gotta give it a good shakedown. Even if it's cold outside, keep riding. This thing shifts really good. And as I've noted, with the Vance and Hines pipes, fifth gear already. With the Vance Hines pipes, if the carbs weren't jetted, I bet you we'd have a dead spot. But it doesn't appear that we do. At least I haven't found one, and that's great. Now I don't know how warm my tires are yet. I've only been riding for a few minutes here, so I'm not going to do any crazy turns. It's cold out, the road's cold, tires might be cold yet. Roll out on fifth gear. She's really pretty confident. She's not shaking like she was with the other tire and wheel. So I'm going to blame that on either the tire or the wheel or that steering stem bearing that we changed out. Everything's super calm. What I've noticed, I don't know if we can make this light. No, okay. Give it a second to breathe. What I have noticed is the rear brake shoes are probably shot. Hey, that's my van. Mine's in better shape than that one. Okay, rear brakes are probably shot. We have to put on new shoes. But other than that, the tachometer works. It's just a little bit busted up. Every so often when you go to start it, the start button takes a few pushes to engage, so we could probably take that apart and clean the contacts. I think that's all that's really happening. Contacts are dirty in there and they're not working, but it really, I don't get too concerned because I know it does that and then it comes back. So we gotta go. Now this guy's going to be in the way. I keep saying she sounds amazing, and I feel like we've worked a lot of the bugs out of her. So the only thing I'm thinking is the rear brakes, and does she need a new chain and or sprockets. I have a new set to put on the 3rd gen, and I was going to use it on the 94, but maybe the 97 gets it in the meantime. I can always buy another set. Oh, this guy. Yeah, I can always buy a second set and put that on. But clutchless shifting with this bike is really easy. Kinds of real estate selling around here. I wonder, whoa, what is going on? They all sold at the same time. They must have been owned by the same person. Wish I would have bought it. Alright, we're gonna hope this guy is going a different direction than us. I was working on the video here, Blazer. there. Clutch just downshifting just fine. Clutch works good. Can use that when we need it. I'll often use clutchless upshifting, but not often down, because you don't really need to do that often. Unless you're lazy. Or just like to show off your skills. He's gonna go slower if I run up and kiss him. It's about 47 degrees out this morning, and it's chilly, but what are you gonna do? You gotta ride. Like I said on my last video, I got my gloves, got a leather jacket, and got my ballistic Joe Rocket pants. So other than my footwear, which are just sneakers, I'm set. I should have different shoes, different socks, but it's fine. Downshift. Oh, I'm in first? No. Nope, now I'm in second. I don't know where I am. There we go. Now I'm in first. Alright, let's do this. I can get through. The next guy can't. Yep, no dead spot. The fall color changes. It's really good around here for that, but we're past the peak now. They're all just kind of falling and brown. It happens in November. Alright, well, I'm gonna have a guy look this bike over for me. That way I know that, ooh, your hood's up, buddy. That's not good. I've done that before. My hood came up and busted my windshield. Not a good situation. Fifth gear sneaks up on you fast on these 3rd gen Magnas. You just want to go, get in it, go, and then, oh, you're already in 5th. There's nothing left. Plenty more RPM to go, but these are really long gears, so it's a decent cruiser, but I feel like 6th gear is always a good thing to have. Muscle cruiser. It's only a 750, but you're up around 80 horsepower. So you get up against a V-twin. Even the Shadow 1100 I think only has, I don't know, 50 probably 50 or 60 horsepower. So these things can get up and move, and you're more comfortable than on a sport bike. Love this sweeping turn up here. You ready, guys? Downshift it. Only at 4th, but it's fine. Long sweeping curve, and then this one, not quite as long, but it's fun to grab. There's some bumps up here you got to be ready for. This one, oh! This curve actually is pretty tight. If you're not ready for it, that could surprise you. Go right up to the corner of the cornfield. Here you can get some air, I think. This one? Yeah, you can. It's been a while since I took this road, so I don't want to be irresponsible. And we have trucks ahead of us. Oh, okay, we have lots of trucks ahead of us. So anyway, guys, thanks for riding on this shakedown with me today. See, look how smooth she is. Very few shakes and shudders. If you're able to do that, take your hands off the handlebars and just let it ride, you're probably pretty good. Alright, guys, I will see you on the next one. Get out and ride. We got a tank delivery up here, so logs, tanks. That's it for our excitement. So I will see you guys on the next one. Get out and ride. Bundle up. It's cold. I'll see you. Have a great one.